Hello guys, in this tutorial we discuss about the string concept. So in the previous language you just learned string means it's a collections of characters. So in Java, string is basically the object that represents sequence of character values. So an array of character works same as a Java string. So whatever the concept is there in the C++, same concept is there. The string is a collections of character, more than one characters will be there. So here the character value will be represented like that. We have the 4 character, and then if you write the statement string s is new string character. So here we have the string object yes. So that is nothing but the object. It is representing the character value. It is representing the string value, and the string containing more than one character and its value is Java. Same you can do like that, string yes which is having particular value. So the object yes value is Java, that is nothing but the string value. So Java string class provide lot of method for the operation like compare, concat, equal, split, length, replace, compare to, learn, substring. Many methods are there. So that common methods that we will see in the coming tutorial also. What is string in the Java? So basically string means it is a sequence of character that I already told you at the beginning of tutorial. But in Java, string is object that represents sequence of character. So string is nothing but the object also. So java.lang.string class is used to create string object, and there are the two ways for representing string. First one is by string literal, and second one is by new keyword. So by string literal, it is created by using double quotes. So like that you can create directly string object which is representing the string value, that is known as string literal. By using new keyword also you can do this. This syntax is same as creating object, like here the string object is yes equal to new string which is having the particular value. Now we directly see the program, and in that program I would like to show these 3 value, that is Java, string and example. So as usual, if you have the class and main method, then what happen, you can create the string variable having the Java value. You can directly do, and this is one of the simple way to represent the string value. Second way is also you can use the character array like strings, because I would like to show strings value, and simply you have to pass that ch variable in the string class object, and this is the what converting character array into string, because this is the character array, more than one character, and we are converting into one particular string. Next one is string object name equal to new string which is having the value example, because my third string is example. Simply use output statement and pass that respective object yes1, yes2 and yes3. So your program output will be Java strings and example. So these are the way, friend. The simplest way is the first one. If you want to refer second one, you can use. The third one is also very common. It is same as a class object syntax which is having particular value. But according to me, this is the simplest one for representing the value. So these are the different way. In the program, you can also use the character array concept for showing the string value. But these things are sufficient because in Java we are having the facility of string objects. So you can directly convert the character array into the string, like here we have converted, this is character array, and then we are using the string variable and converting this character array into the string. So these are the 3 different method for getting the string value. So I hope, friend, you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.